Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing essentials so the setup moves smoothly. Plug the Fitpro into power and charge to at least 50%. Firmware updates reduce later glitches. Next, open the app and create your account using a real email, then enter the 6-digit verification code you receive. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone and grant the app permissions. This allows device pairing and accurate activity tracking. Make sure notifications are allowed so alarms and syncs arrive reliably. You now pair and personalize the Fitpro so data reflects you. In the app, go to Devices, then Add Device. Choose your exact model or scan the QR on the box. When the phone finds the band, tap to pair and confirm the numeric code shown on both screens. This secures the connection. After pairing, input your height, weight, birth date, and dominant hand. These metrics calibrate step count, calorie estimates, and sleep staging. Finally, customize watch faces and notification preferences for daily use. You finish setup with verification and a quick troubleshooting plan. First, perform a manual sync to confirm data flows to the app and cloud. This validates connectivity. Then test heart rate, a short walk for step counts, and start a 1-minute workout to verify tracking accuracy. Adjust strap tension so sensors sit snugly against skin. If things go wrong, restart your phone and band, reinstall the app, or perform a factory reset on the band. These steps clear cached errors and resolve most pairing or tracking problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.